maraming tao nagsasabi, bakit daw hindi stable, kumbaga sa work, stable ang income. Sa sana, kasi may mga bago kong distributors, at least part-time ko lang talaga to kasi syempre sa mas stable, kumbaga ang mindset nila, part-time lang talaga yung sana. So sabi lang, at least sa work, stable ang income. Sabi ko sa kanila, no, you're wrong. The income is yung sana is stable. Agree ba kayo, Ron? Okay. So, baka yung iba hindi. Sasabihin sa akin, Mentor Caleb, bakit sa sana paano masasabing stable ang income? Bakit maraming tao hindi stable ang income? Ito lang po yung reason why the income is sana is not that stable to so many distributors. Gusto ba malaman ko ano? Yes! Okay. It is because people who are doing this business do not treat Usana as work. Okay? They treat it as part-time. Kasi whenever you say part-time lang, tama? Di ba kunwari, part-time, okay, I'll do that during my convenient time. I'll do that kapag may extra time ako. I'll do that kapag may, alam mo yun, kapag feel ko. Tawa nyo? So, kaya hindi stable yung income. Bakit sa work, stable ang income? Kasi doon sa mga nag-work dito, how many of you will really go to work even if it's not that convenient sa inyo? Yung kahit umuulan. Pag umuulan po ba convenient? Hindi. Hindi. Pag pagod na kayo, convenient? Hindi. Pero still, you will go to work. And you have to do your work. So the reason why in Usana, the income is not stable, it's because people do not really treat Usana as work. Tama? So di ba kunwari doon sa mga companies na meron silang quota, mga ganon, di ba pag sinabi, eto, how many of you here na doon sa mga part-time na meron kayong trabaho, pag sinabi ng boss, gawin mo to, minsan, kahit, alam mo yun, within the day, pag di pa siya tapos, tatapusin mo talaga, kahit OTY na siya, it needs to be, done. Nakuha nyo? Kasi, you're being paid by the company. Na parang naka-mindset ka na, meron kang 15, meron kang 30, so I need to finish my job. Sa Usana kasi hindi ganun. Ako, one thing na i-share ko po sa inyo, when I started to realize the value of this business, ang mindset ko po sa sarili ko, employee muna ako ng Usana. So, ibig sabihin, ang boss ko, ito yung, totoo po ito, ang boss ko, mindset ko yung sarili ko, my boss is Ma'am Duday. Pag hindi ako pumasok, pero hindi nila alam yan, syempre, di ba? Ako lang. Kapag di ako pumasok sa work, yari ako kay Ma'am Duday. So, ano yung job description ko sa Usana? My job description in Usana is to invite, go to work muna, tama? Invite, present, and continuously train myself. That's my job description. And how much is Usana paying me? Usana is paying me $100 a week. Okay? So, what's my quota every week? I need to talk to at least 8 people and have at least 8 sign-ups nga eh. Parang ganun. Kasi dati ang pay-in po namin, hindi lang 8 eh. More than. So, kasi parang ang pay-in namin before 150 points lang. Tama? Pero that's my mindset. So, kaya ako kumikita ng $100 every week, that's 16,000 a month. So, parang meron akong regular job sa labas. Pero I need to give Usana the same level of commitment I'm going to give my work. Yun nga lang, why would I rather work on Usana compared na maging employed na lang? Simple lang. Whatever it is that I'm going to work hard for in this business, I know it's something that will give me long-term passive income. Okay? Ito po yung unang question na tatanong ko sa inyo. Bakit tayo lahat nag-work? What's the primary reason? Okay, to earn. Tama? To survive. Okay, so sabi nga there's also a big difference between how people work it. So if your goal lang is to survive, then no wonder why kontento ka na sa $100, $200, $400 a week. Tama? So that shouldn't be your goal, not just to survive. Kasi ito nga po yung pinost ko before sa Facebook. Sabi ko, one of the problems sa panahon ngayon, why there are a lot of people, di nila na-reach yung dreams nila, it's because they are only living, alam mo yun, ang mindset nila ay, kumbaga, they are only living the life they can only afford, but not the life they want. If I'm going to ask all of you tonight, ano yung gusto nyo? To live the life you can only afford or to live the life you really want? Tama? Kasi pag yung mindset is, I'll live the life I can afford. So kaya maraming tao ngayon, minsan yung lifestyle nila, kasi kunwari, ang income lang nila, o 50,000 a month, they will only, alam mo yun, live within that lifestyle lang. Nakuha nyo? Pero if you want to live the life you want, it will entitle a huge amount of money. Tama? Sabi nga nila, money is not, the solution to everything. Pero if you have money, if money is not your problem, it will make it easier for you to solve the rest of your problems. Hindi siya madali. Sabi ko, hindi siya easier. Tama? Compared sa wala kang pera. So, knowing